Are you thinking of adding someone to your property deed? It might be one of the costliest mistakes you'll ever make. Hi, I'm Anila Rasul, founder of ASR Law Firm here in Boca Raton, Florida. Today, I want to clear up a big misconception about adding and removing names on a property deed in Florida and why a simple DIY fix can create serious legal problems. Many homeowners think it's quick and easy to add a friend or a partner or family member to their deed, most often to avoid probate. But here's the truth. Changing a deed is not just filling out a form. It's a legal process with lasting consequences. I can't tell you how many clients I've seen try to Google their way through this process only to create bigger and more expensive legal issues later. Here are a few precautions. One, when you add someone to your deed, you can't simply take them off without their permission or without a lawsuit. Two, you might lose your Florida homestead tax exemption. Three, you could accidentally trigger gift taxes and mess up future inheritance plans. And four, if the person you've added refuses to cooperate when you want to sell or refinance, you could be stuck. Even worse than these examples is using the wrong type of deed, like a quitclaim deed, which could leave your property vulnerable. In Florida, there are three main types of deed: a general warranty deed, a special warranty deed, and a quitclaim deed. Each has different protections, and choosing the wrong one can come back to bite you in the future. So before you make any changes, it's advisable to consult with a real estate attorney who can help you understand your options. Whether it's adding someone to your deed, avoiding probate with tools like a ladybird deed, or protecting your property rights, we can walk you through the best approach for your situation. If you're unsure about your deed or just want to avoid expensive mistakes, feel free to reach out to us. Our goal is to make sure your property and your peace of mind are protected. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, feel free to like and share it with someone else who might find it useful too.